And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to copy GitHub profile link. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your GitHub app. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply get logged into your account. So now once you get logged into your account, you need to simply navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon. So once you do so as well, tap on your profile. After doing this, so now once you're on a profile icon, you can see in the address bar there is an URL called github.com/your username. So simply tap it on and copy that particular URL. So once you have done this, you will be able to copy GitHub profile link. Now you can share this profile link to any of your friends or followers, and this is how you can simply copy your GitHub profile link. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.